welcome back to my channel. Today is day 13 of my 24 days of DIY. Today's video is very fun for me because this is like my childhood. We're gonna do a little baking DIY because it counts. This one counts as a DIY. We're going to be making reindeer cookies. Just like thinking about these cookies brings back just so many happy, good memories. This is like my childhood Christmas tradition. Every single year we would make reindeer cookies with my mom, and they're just so fun and super cute. So I thought I would share this today. Such a fun activity to do with kids. So yeah, today's video is making cute little reindeer cookies. So let's get into it. Okay, so you can use whatever cookie dough you want to. We've just always used peanut butter cookie dough for these cookies just because the combination of everything in them is so good. Now you can home make the cookie dough, or you can be lazy like me and just buy some store-bought cookie dough. So you'll need some cookie dough, you'll need some mini pretzels that look like this, some chocolate chips, and some M&Ms. Okay, so I have my cookie pan and I'm going to open my cookie dough. I always love hearing about what people's Christmas traditions are, what they have done growing up or when they were kids. So let me know in the comments if you have any Christmas traditions that you've started with your family now or that you loved doing when you were kids. I would love to read through those. Okay, so normally we just get normal peanut butter cookie dough to make these cookies, but my grocery store didn't have just plain peanut butter cookie dough. It had peanut butter and chocolate chips in it, which is fine. It'll still taste good, but I normally don't have like chocolate chips in the actual dough, so hopefully they still turn out cute. Okay, I'm gonna get closer to the camera so you can see what I'm doing. So I just took a chunk of cookie dough and I'm gonna kind of shape this into a reindeer face shape. So basically I'm just making a big long nose. So I just push on the end of the cookie dough, leaving the top part kind of rounded for like a head. Kind of like that. Then I'm going to take 2 pretzels. Okay, then I'm going to take my 2 pretzels and stick them in at the top of the head. Oh, these chocolate chips in here are making it difficult. Actually, I might just take it out. Okay, so here's my little reindeer. Ah, it already looks so cute. Okay, and then the last thing I'm going to do is put 2 little chocolate chips in for the eyes. Normally I use mini chocolate chips because they're the perfect size. I thought I had mini chocolate chips, but turns out I just have jumbo ones. So I'm gonna see how this looks. But I might, actually that doesn't look too bad. They're just like huge eyes, but that's okay. Big ol' eyes for my reindeer. But look how cute. This is all you do to start with. We're not doing the M&M yet. So I'm just going to make a bunch of these little reindeer and put them on my cookie sheet. Okay, so now I have my little reindeer and now I'm going to put them in the oven just following the instructions on my cookie dough package. Alright, so I just took them out of the oven. One thing to note, I didn't film it because I had to do it really quickly, but right when they come out of the oven, the nose section will have expanded a little bit so that it doesn't really look like a reindeer anymore. And I just take 2 spoons and using the outside edge of the spoons, I just quickly reform the nose again. So I just push it back in. And then you add your little red M&M to the end of the nose and you get the cutest little reindeer cookies. Aren't they so fun? We used to make these and then like ding dong ditch families with them for Christmas, and it's just a lot of fun. So my kids are gonna be so excited to see these when they wake up and get home from school. And I saved some cookie dough so that I can make some more actually with them. And they smell delicious. Okay, so that is it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Again, leave in the comments your favorite Christmas tradition, or if you don't celebrate Christmas, favorite holiday thing that you do or have done in the past when you were a child. Be sure you are subscribed to my channel, and I will see you guys tomorrow with another DIY. Bye!